Jingle bells, listeners! It's the most wonderful time of the year, and I am Mitali Uhri, your festive host here at Self Talk Show podcast. Today, we are unwrapping a special holiday gift, tips and tricks for celebrating a Christmas that's both merry and green. So, grab a cup of cocoa, settle in, and let's make this holiday season extra special. To kick off our Green Christmas celebration, let's talk about creating festive joy while keeping our planet in mind. One way to do this is by choosing eco friendly decorations like using LED lights instead of traditional ones. They consume less energy and last longer, creating a magical ambience without the extra waste. When it comes to gift giving, consider reusable wrapping options like festive cloth wraps or recycled paper adorned with natural elements like twine and pine cones. Remember, this is the season to spread cheer and love, not excess waste. Now let's move from decorations to the heart of any Christmas celebration, the feast. Instead of the traditional ham or turkey, try a savory stuffed butternut squash or a flavorful lentil loaf. Side dishes like roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potato casserole can be just as festive and mouth-watering. And for dessert, how about a decadent vegan chocolate mousse or a spiced apple crisp? These dishes not only satisfy your holiday cravings, but also respect the well-being of our animal friends and the health of our planet. And now, as we exchange gifts under the twinkling lights, let's talk about gift giving without the environmental hangover. Consider giving experiences rather than physical items like a cooking class or a spa day. When it comes to wrapping, get creative with reusable options. Furoshoki, a Japanese cloth wrapping technique, adds a touch of elegance to your presents. And the best part, it's reusable. You can also repurpose old maps, newspapers, or scarves for a unique and eco friendly wrapping. Because the true spirit of giving doesn't come in excess packaging, it's the thought that counts. Transforming our homes into winter wonderland is a cherished Christmas tradition. In this segment, we'll explore creative and sustainable ways to deck the halls. Instead of buying plastic ornaments, consider making your own using recycled materials or opting for timeless, durable ornaments that can be reused year after year. Use potted plants like poinsettias or small evergreen trees as decorations. They add a touch of nature and can be planted in your garden after the holidays. And don't forget the power of LED candles for a warm, flickering glow without the fire hazard. Get ready to create a cozy and sustainable atmosphere that will warm not only your home but also your heart. Now let's take a global journey to discover how different cultures celebrate a green Christmas. In Sweden, they have a tradition called julgransplundring, where decorations are taken down and shared with neighbors, promoting community and reducing waste. In India, many celebrate with vegan feasts, incorporating a delicious plant dishes into their festivities. And in Japan, Christmas cake is often made with seasonal and local ingredients promoting sustainability. It's a reminder that the spirit of Christmas can be celebrated with love and care for a beautiful planet. And speaking of inspiration, I would love to hear from you wonderful listeners. Please share your green Christmas stories, and I would love to feature your experiences in my blog and on my social media pages. Whether it's a creative eco-friendly decoration idea, a memorable plant recipe you have discovered, or a heartwarming story of how you have embraced sustainability during the holidays, I would love to know. So send in your messages, stories, and photos through social media channels or through email. Remember, together, we can create a Christmas season that brings joy not only to us, but to the earth we call home. Now, before we wrap up this special Christmas episode, I want to wish each and every one of you a joyful and sustainable holiday season. If you enjoyed our festive journey, please spread the cheer by subscribing, rating, and sharing Self Talk Show podcast. Until next time, have a very green and Merry Christmas.